grab your skillet. We've got a great dinner idea coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Vanoilovich. This is such a fantastic dinner idea. If you've got people coming up for a weekend at the cottage or you want a really relaxed, fabulous, tasty meal, this idea is for you. As we put up a photograph of the ingredients, you'll see, hey, this doesn't look too complicated. It certainly isn't. And again, this recipe is all about flavor. To begin, we're gonna take a few vegetables. We've got some zucchini. I'm gonna slice it up. I have about 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them in half. And then I'm taking very beautiful shepherd peppers. This is a shepherd pepper. It's identifiable by the beautiful color. When you cut them in half, I want you to leave the caps on, remove the seeds, and that's all you need to do. The thing I love most, I love you, pepper. The thing I love most about these peppers, they have a really nice sweetness. We're taking the pepper, zucchini, and tomato. We're gonna transfer them onto a baking sheet. Let's drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. I want you to add a handful of fresh oregano, add a handful of thyme. We're gonna add a little bit of kosher salt. Our oven is preheating to 425 degrees. Place your baking sheet of these vegetables in the oven. We're gonna roast them for 30 minutes. While those vegetables are roasting, we have a pot on stovetop. We're gonna cook off 1 cup of orzo. That's pretty simple. We have another pot on stovetop. We're gonna blanch a cup of peas. Orzo's cooked, peas are done. We're taking a large skillet on stovetop, medium-high heat. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. When the oil starts to shimmer, I'm adding half of a sweet white onion, very finely diced, and then 3 cloves, the bigger the better, of garlic, roughly chopped. We're gonna cook those ingredients until they get nice and soft. Nice fragrance coming off the pan. Now we need 6 chorizo sausage. I've taken them out of their casing, so this is the sausage meat. It goes into the skillet, push it around in the pan a little bit, toss it around a bit to break it up. Here's an optional ingredient, but I think you should add it. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes over top. Our chorizo is done. We're going to a bowl. We're gonna add the cooked chorizo, onion, and garlic. Smells pretty fantastic. Let's add that cooked orzo pasta. Beautiful. Add the peas, fantastic. And the next ingredient is a must add, half a cup feta cheese crumbled. Grab a spoon, taste test, like it, maybe a little salt if you wish. And now you're transferring to your skillet. So I want you to transfer that beautiful mixture from bowl to skillet, push it down a little bit, ding, ding, ding. The vegetables are done right about now. They come out of the oven, they look fantastic. We're taking tongs, you're gonna take your shepherd pepper and move it onto your skillet on top of that sausage mixture. Little pointy end goes in, the caps towards the outside, that's the look, and we're adding the peppers. Now notice when I'm transferring those peppers, some of them have the tomatoes, zucchini, the herbs, perfect. Leave it in the peppers and then place it on the top in your skillet. Last step, I take a spoon, kind of push the peppers in, move a little bit of that filling up. We're gonna drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, place it in the oven. We're gonna bake for 20 minutes. When it's done, bring it out of the oven, serve it straight from the skillet. I love presenting this on a luncheon plate like this. We're adding a scoop of the filling, place 1 or 2 shepherd's peppers there. Please don't be surprised when people have 2 or 3 or 4 helpings. Yes, it is that delicious. Looking for other delicious things? Why not head to weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. After that, you're probably watching this video on our YouTube channel, and if so, give us a thumbs up, drop us comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel too, please. Finally, look for us on your favorite socials. Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Here's an idea. When you're posting your picture of this great dinner, make sure to use hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage when you do. That's all I got. A great dinner idea featuring a skillet, some peppers, chorizo, orzo, and some fabulous flavors. Hey, come on everybody, let's eat. Dinner's ready. Enjoy. All right, actually, here we go.